criminals. As I'm connecting
For
the
feathered
dots
criminals.
on how we got to this point, I realized I don't even know which one of these knuckleheads even laid the eggs.
Wait, what?
When I got tofu, I...
Hang on a second. First of all, I thought Ari was male. You're telling me this whole time you never figured out whether he was male or female? Seriously? I just can't imagine that. I mean, in a way it makes sense. I mean, if you're not planning on breeding your birds, there's no real reason to worry about it. Yeah, it doesn't make that much sense to me anyway. And also, on a more positive note, I haven't heard the term knucklehead in ages. It brings me back to like watching Three Stooges with my dad. Jaiden's bringing it back.